Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use ClickUp to manage your projects. So this is their website. They offer different version, and as you see, for the free version, this is free forever. They offer 100 MB storage, unlimited task, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative docs, whiteboards, everything view, and so on. They also offer the unlimited, which is $7 per month, and you can even upgrade for business. This is best for mid-sized teams, which is mostly used, and the enterprise for large companies or large teams. So if you don't have an account yet, just click on this button, sign up, go to their website and sign up for free by just using your email address. So let's begin. So this is my actual ClickUp account. I was able to sign in, and this is the free version. For us to have a basic view of the step-by-step process for managing your projects, let's try to add a new workspace. So you see here there's a plus button where it says new space. Just click on the plus sign, and this is how it's gonna looks like. So it will ask you for the name of the workspace. So for example, this is space A. Right here you would see that there's also an option for you to use template, and ClickUp offers a lot of templates right here that is best for your projects. There is also an indication here which is which. So if this is best for HR and recruiting, this is for personal use, you could just select on that one, but right now we're not gonna do that. So let's click on next. And this portion, it's gonna ask you for the description. So for example, we have some description here, and then click on next. Right here in this part, it's gonna ask for a space, color, and an avatar. So just select which one you prefer, and then click next. You also have an option if this is just yours or if you want to share it with the other members. Just click on this plus button and select your member or your teammate that you want to have an access to your space. And then once you're done, just click on next. These are the statuses that you can add on your space. So this is the default one, the to-do, and also the default for a free trial to complete closed status. Right now, let's add some active status here. Process, pending, for test, and you can even select the color that you want. They also offer some templates for the task statuses under your spaces. And once you're done, just click on next. Here, ClickUp actually offer some apps within your workspace that you can turn on, but they highly recommend to turn off all ClickUp first before you select, because there's a lot in here. So for example, what I wanted is the time tracking. I want the priority, the tags. I wanted to assign multiple people. The show the status progress. So that's just for the example. Let's select on next. And right here, it's gonna ask you for the view that you wanted for your spaces. What was mostly used is the board and the list, but if you want to have like a calendar view, just turn this one on. Also the map, if you want to have a timeline view, just turn this one on as well, and then click on review space. it's going to ask you if you are all good with the name, the description, everything that you have selected for your space. So once you review, just click on Create Space. Okay. And so you can see we can even add a list of tasks under our workspace. So let's say I wanted to create new list. So the name of the list is Project A. Okay, so you see under our space A, we created a list of the things that we need to do under Project A. And under Project A, you can add several tasks. Task A, Task B. Right here, you can even put on an assigned person. You can edit tags. If this is something related to Plan A, this is going to be tagged as Plan A. Or if this is something related to a meeting, there's going to be task indicated right here. And then for the list settings, you can even select the list statuses again, modify it, whichever you prefer. And what else? So once you created, the website is very user friendly. This is something that is pretty basic. You can add multiple lists under each spaces. You can add multiple spaces, depends on the needs of your projects. And just a few features that we have here, as you see on the left side of the page, we also have here the docs, wherein the documents will all show right here. Also the dashboards, the whiteboards that you're sharing with the team, the pulse. Here in this pulse, this is to track time. You can see how much time a user spends on that specific time. So if, for example, there is employees that are trying to track their time, this is something that's really helpful. So for the goals, this portion is where you manually add your goals. So you just need to click on Set Goal, because this is something that cannot be automated. And here, this is your favorites section where you can pin everything that you needed on your workspaces. So this is just the basics. Now you can start managing your projects. Just go to each spaces. And you are good to go. So if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe, because it helped me reach more people. See you soon.